Hi, it's Dr. Bob at New Life Counseling Center, and I have a book recommendation for you. This is by my personal friends Clint and Penny Bragg, and it's called Marriage on the Mend. It's a true story. There will be a picture on the screen for you to see. True story. I did some missionary work with this beautiful couple in Germany, and their story is rather interesting. They were high school sweethearts and darlings of the church, and they got together and got married and then got divorced. But then the story gets interesting because they were apart for over a decade, each living their own life. And then with social media coming out so many years ago, they reconnected and they came together, and now they're married, and they talk about sort of like marriage A and marriage B, the different mindset that brought them together initially, way back in high school, and what happened to that marriage, and then the life events that happened in the interim, how they grew as individual people, and then how they came back together as different people, as mature people, and then the marriage that they enjoy today. It's beautiful. It's a true story, but it's a parable. There's a deep meaning there, and that is that for everybody that's married, there was a reason that you got together. There was a me and a you that were attracted to each other, and there was a bond that was made, and then there's a relationship that has been co-created. But then life happens, and we grow. Pray to God, we grow, right? And we change. And as we change, the relationship changes. And I think it's just so tremendously useful, not only to examine your own history and figure out why you were attracted, and then maybe why you're having problems in your marriage today that has to do with either the chronic problem that never resolved that drew you together, or the fact that the original reason that drew you together resolved, and now it's different. Anyway, all that to say that you are now today co-creating a relationship. It isn't just true of marriage, it's every relationship you have. You're contributing to it, they're contributing to it, and you're co-creating a third entity called us. I think it's tremendously healthy to examine that question with every relationship that you have. Who was I when I was drawn to them? Who were they when I was drawn to them? Who have each of us become? And what now are we in the process of co-creating? It's a thought experiment. If you've gone through that, if you have had generations of relationship with your spouse, I would love to hear your story. Please share it in the comments below.